I never could top Jeff.
Then, in a toothpaste test, we were on opposite sides. My side used Crest. His side used the same toothpaste, but without fluorestan. And that's when I beat Jeff, because my side had 21% fewer cavities with Crest.
In similar tests, Crest reduced cavities 34% and 42%. You know, more dentists recommend Crest than all other toothpastes combined. So have regular checkups, watch treats, and brush after eating with Crest, accepted by the Council on Dental Therapeutics of the American Dental Association, as signified by this statement and this seal.
Nice catch, Jeff.
Remember, the only toothpaste with over 12 years of tests that prove it reduces cavities is Crest.